Introduction. Vaibhav and his parents are returning home after 2 days, having spent the weekend at Kasauli. On their way home, they stop at a grocery store to buy a water bottle. Vaibhav decided to stay back in the car. His father advises him to roll up the windows. After a while, Vaibhav feels breathless and suffocated. He immediately rolls down the windows of the car to let in fresh air. In this lesson, you will learn about air and its importance. Objectives. At the end of this lesson, you'll be able to state the characteristics of air, explain the importance of air for all living beings, list the uses of air. Characteristics of air. Air is all around us. All living things breathe in and breathe out air continuously. But we cannot see it. We can only feel it. Air has no color, taste, or odor. Air has weight. Take an inflated balloon and weigh it. Now remove the air and deflate the balloon. Weigh it once more. What do you find? The balloon had more weight when it was inflated. This proves that air has weight. Air fills space. Take a balloon and blow air into it. The balloon expands in size. Now prick the balloon with a pin. What do you see? The air inside the balloon escapes through the hole. The balloon becomes flat. This proves that air fills space. Importance of air. Air supplies human beings with oxygen, which supports life. Plants take carbon dioxide from air to make their food. Animals also depend on the oxygen present in the air for survival. Uses of air. Moving air is known as wind. Wind moves clouds and causes rains. Wind helps sailboats and gliders to move. The power of wind is used to generate electricity. Wind power helps pump water. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learned. Air has no taste, color, or odor. Air has weight and fills space. Air is necessary for the survival of all living beings. Moving air is called wind. Wind